Okay, 3 triangles are drawn on a coordinate grid. Draw the image of triangle T after reflection in the line y equals 0. If you don't know what that line is, then always, every time you go over a thing, always XY graph. And XY table, 0, 1, 2, 3. And the y value is always 0. So it could be 0, 0, it could be 1, 0, 2, 0, or I could have -4, 0. Any of those ones I can have. So the line we're reflecting in, that's the line y equals 0. A reflection of that, use tracing paper, that comes down to there, this one comes to there, and this one is to there. And does I have to label it? Normally I have to label it something. I don't in this case, so I've done the first one. I'll go to red for the second one. So image after rotation of 90 degrees clockwise about 0, 0. There's 0, 0. Clockwise, so it's going to go that way. And it's going to go to 3, 6. That'll go there. That'll go there. Draw it in. Just check to see if I need to label it. I don't. So I've done that one. I'll go to green now. Single transformation will match T onto W. So T goes to W. That's just a slide. So that's a translation. That's the first thing. Gives me the 1 mark. And I've got to find out that I need to give it a vector. And so what happens here, I'm going to choose one point there and the equivalent point here, and how far across does it go? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to there. So it's 8, and then it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if it being +6, it'd have gone up, but it's gone down, so it's -6. So that is the answer for the translation. I'm going to pink. Describe fully the single transformation that maps T onto V. It's T onto V, where it's changed size. So as soon as it's changed size, it must be an enlargement. I know it's got smaller, but it's still an enlargement. Scale factor. Well, going this way from V to T, that's 1 or 2 long there, and that's now 4. So it's doubled going that way. So going from T to V, scale factor must be 1/2. So scale factor is 1/2. Let's get rid of that in case you think it's. So scale factor is 1/2. And I also need to know where the center is. And the center, to do that, you draw that point there corresponds to that one. So draw a line going through those. And this one here corresponds to this one. So draw a line going through those. And where they cross is the center, and that's 2, 3. So 2, 3 as coordinates. Go to purple. Here it says any transformation always produces a shape that is congruent to the original shape. Congruent means same size, same shape. Is she right? No, she's not, because as soon as you have an enlargement, that changes the size of it. And so enlargements change size. I suppose technically or pedantically, if the enlargement scale factor is 1 or -1, that doesn't change the size, but any other scale factor, if it's 2, 3, 4, or 1/4, or -7, they will all change the size. And that's a colourful question 4 done.